Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. In this video, you will get around 25 questions that are related to fundamentals of computer. In each question, there are around 4 choices and you can choose the correct answer among the given alternatives. Okay, let us go to the first question. Here is the first question, question number 1. Question number 1 says, a device that converts a digital signal into an analog signal is called blank. A modem, B an emulator, C a packet, D an NIC. The answer is choice A. A modem is a device that converts the digital signal into an analog signal. Question number 2. Here is question number 2. A shortcut key used to create a new folder is A. Ctrl plus N, B. Shift plus N, C. Ctrl plus Alt plus N, D. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Here is the answer. Choice D is the answer. Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Question number 3. Here is question number 3. In which tab of MS Word does line spacing available? A. View tab, B. Insert tab, C. Home tab, D. Format tab. The answer is choice C. Home tab. Home tab. Question number 4. Which shortcut key is used to change to italic form? A. Ctrl plus I, B. Ctrl plus L, C. Ctrl plus E, D. Ctrl plus 5. The answer is choice A. Ctrl plus I is the answer. If you press Ctrl plus I, you'll change a document to italic form. Question number 5. In any window, minimize, maximize, and close buttons appear on A. Toolbar, B. Menu bar, C. Status bar, D. Title bar. The answer is choice D. You'll get it on title bar. Question number 6. Click on blank to go to the symbols dialog box. A. Tools, B. Table, C. Insert, D. Format. Choice C is the answer. Insert. In order to go to the symbols dialog box, first of all you have to click on insert. After that you'll get symbol and others. Question number 7. What is required when more than one person uses a central computer at the same time? If you want to use a central computer at the same time, among the one is required among these given alternatives: A. Digitizer, B. Terminal, C. Light pen, D. Mouse. The answer is B. Terminal is the answer. When we open MS Word, what is the default font style? As soon as we open the MS Word, what is the default font style? Okay, A. Arial, B. Calibri, C. Times New Roman, D. Pretty. Choice B is the answer. Calibri is the answer. Question number 9. How many documents can you work on simultaneously in MS Word? A. 1, B. 2, C. more than 2, D. any number. Choice D is the answer. Question 10. Desktop computer is also known as blank. A. Laptop computer, B. palm top computer, C. mainframe computer, D. personal computer. Choice D is the answer. Desktop computers are also known as personal computer. Another question, question number 11. Which of the following controls the process of interaction between user and operating system? A. Platform. B. User interface. C. Language translator. D. Screensaver. The answer is choice B. Question number 12. Which shortcut key is used to quickly insert bullet points? A. Ctrl plus Shift plus E. B. Ctrl plus Shift plus B. C. Ctrl plus Shift plus L. D. Ctrl plus Shift plus T. The answer is choice C. Ctrl plus Shift plus L is the answer. This is a shortcut key used to quickly insert bullet points. Question number 13. What is the full form of www? A. World Wide Web. B. World Wide Web. C. World Wide World. D. World Wide Wildlife. The answer is A. Choice A is the answer. www indicates World Wide Web. Here is question number 14. Which mode saves all open documents on the hard disk and then shut down the computer? Among these alternatives, the one open documents on the hard disk saves all open documents on the hard disk and then shut down the computer. This is choice B. Hibernate is the answer. Question number 15. Information on a computer is stored as blank. A. Hybrid. B. Modem data. C. Analog data. D. Digital data. Choice D is answer. Choice D is answer. That is digital data. Question number 16. The process of division of memory space is called A. Segmentation. B. Dynamic division. C. Bifurcation. D. Paging. The answer is choice A. Segmentation is the process of division of memory space. Here is question number 17. The list of coded instructions in a computer is called A. Algorithm. B. Computer program. C. Flowchart. D. All of the above. Choice D is the answer. Sorry. Choice B is the answer. Computer program. This is the list of coded instruction in a computer. Question number 18. ALU and CU have special purpose storage space which is called blank. A. Bus. B. Address. C. Registers. D. Accumulators. The answer is choice C. Registers are special purpose storage spaces which are found on ALU and CU. That means ALU means arithmetic logic unit and CU means central unit or control unit. Question number 19. Which is called as an unprocessed collection of raw facts? A. Field. B. Information. C. Record. D. Data. The answer is D. Data is an unprocessed collection of raw facts. Question number 20. A powerful key which is used to let you exit any program is A. Spacebar. B. Return key. C. Escape key. D. Arrow keys. Choice C is the answer. Escape key is used to let you exit any program. Question number 21. What is the physical arrangement of computer network called? A. Routing. B. Topology. C. Networking. D. Protocol. The answer is topology. Choice B. Question number 22. Blank plus del K can be used to delete files or folders permanently. A. Alt, B. Control, C. Shift, D. Wheel. Choice C is the answer. If you press or if you click Shift plus del, then this is used to delete files or folders permanently. Question number 23. The bare machine of a computer system is called blank. A. Firmware, B. Software, C. Hardware, D. None of the above. The answer is choice C. Hardware is the answer. Here is the next question. Question number 24. To read a CD-ROM disk, you need a dash. A. To read a CD-ROM disk, you need a blank. A. Laser beam, B. Sound card, C. Graphics card, D. Magnetic needle. The answer is choice A. There is a beam that is called laser beam, which is used to read a CD-ROM disk. Otherwise, the CD-ROM cannot read any document. Okay. Question number 25, the last question. The last question for this part. Direct access of file is also known as A. File access, B. Relative access, C. Random access, D. Sequential access. Choice C is the answer. Random access. Random access. It is said to be, it's also known as direct access of file. Okay, thank you for your attention. Please subscribe my channel. If you like my channel, please like it. And if you have any comment, any suggestion, you can put your comments below this video. And till the next video, bye bye.